if you cut these sounds exactly the way you see them, you'd have 6 trucks all going in a steady state sound.
Right.
So the key is to try to always keep some kind of movement going.
Yeah.
And so we're compelled to, use a cheat, like putting these revs in. And the one that I think is really fun is coming up. There's a great whip pan. So you can't do that, but is it coming up?
That one.
To me,
so good.
That's just good, solid sound design. Like have a sound hit a shot and help carry the shot. I just love that.